Here's another place where water is exiting our farm along the west property boundary, about halfway between Claudia's field and Dad's property boundary on the south side. So this is where it exits to Kurt Campbell's field. And we can see that it's just a trickle. There's probably a lot less surface area that's draining to this particular point. But one thing we can see is that the water's just trickling out. It's seeping out. And a lot of that probably has to do with this swale here that Dad and I created before we seeded the hayfield. So there's quite a bit of water draining to this area. And with the proper mapping software, we could calculate exactly what, acreage is draining in this particular part of the watershed. But the thing I'm excited about is it shows how the alfalfa grass cover crop here and the swale that we created is actually slowing the water down quite a bit. There's no visible erosion here. This is where the water is actually exiting the alfalfa field, and it's really hard to see any movement here. It gets a little concentrated about 15 feet to the west where it's coming together and exiting the property. But right here, all that's visible is just a little bit of water standing, and I think that has to do a lot with the cover crop and the slight ridge that we created here.